They say abortion is health care. Healthcare is a service delivered by healthcare professionals to improve health via prevention, treatment, diagnosis, and amelioration of mental, physical, emotional health. As I stated above, a pregnancy is not a disease. It's not a disability. It's not a mental illness. It's a part of human experience. So it's not healthcare because they're not treating a disease. They're not preventing something bad to happen. Remember that provision for cases when a pregnancy present a risk to the health of the mother and the child. But the voluntary selective abortion is not health care. It's a lie. And all the consequences I talked about, the mental, physical, emotional pain you experience, you will soon realize that you didn't receive health care.